Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat SS06 support code. So the first thing that you're going to do to fix this one is go to Google Play Store and update your application. So go to the search box and type right here is Snapchat. Now when you tap on that and you will see that update button, all you have to do is tap that update so your application will go up to date and try and see if you fix that issue on your Snapchat. Now the second option that you're going to do is go back to your home screen and just find that Snapchat app. So tap and hold this one and then you'll find app info. So tap this app info and then you'll find this page right here. So all you need to do is tap that storage and tap that clear data so you can clear that cache, or you can also clear all data to fix your Snapchat problem. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.